Exercise number 5.2, question number 11. If the point A, B, C and D form a parallelogram, then find the value of x and y. The condition itself given, it forms a parallelogram. Parallelogram means we know that opposite sides are parallel. If we take it as A, B, C, D is the point. See, this AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to CB. That is the condition, right? AB is parallel to DC by the condition of parallelogram. The question itself given, ABC forms a parallelogram, right? Now see the solution. If the 2 points is given means by using the slope we can able to find the value of AB, slope of AB, right? First I take this AB, see that AB is parallel to DC. Therefore slope AB is equal to slope DC by parallel condition. By parallel means we know that M1 is equal to M2, slope 1 is equal to slope 2. So slope AB is equal to slope DC or CD. Here I take the point A, B, it is 2, 2 and then minus 2, minus 3. Here I take the point C and D, right? Or D and C, whatever may be. 1, minus 3 and then D point is x, y. For the slope we know the formula. When 2 point is given, we have the formula, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, right? For here also the same formula, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here the first point I take it as x1 y1, second point I take it as x2 y2. See here the slope of AB, here we have y2 is equal to minus 3 minus of y1 is equal to 2 divided by x2 is equal to minus 2 minus of x1 is equal to minus 2 is equal to. Now come to that slope of DC. Now this is the 2 points. The first point I take it as x1 y1, second point x2 y2, right? Here y2 is equal to y minus y1 is equal to minus 3 divided by here x2 is equal to x minus of x1 is equal to 1. Now solve this. Minus 5, both having the negative symbol, so minus 5, when you add this, minus 4 is equal to y, minus into minus, plus 3 divided by x minus 1, right? Here we have both the positive and both the numerator and denominator have the negative value, so we can cancel it. So we get 5 by 4. So we get 5 by 4 is equal to y plus 3 divided by x minus 1. Now cross multiplication, I take this term to here, right? 5 into x minus 1, the 4 should be taken to another side means it is be multiple, that is 4 into y plus 3. Now multiple inside, 5x minus 5 is equal to 4y plus 3 4s are 12. I take the term this side, the constant term to another side and then variable to one side. So that is 5x, if I take this 4y to this side means we get minus 4y is equal to, here already we have 12. I take this 15 to that side means we get, 5 to another side means we get plus 5, right? So 5x minus 4y is equal to 17. I take equation number 1. Now on the other side we have BC is parallel to AD. BC is parallel to AD, the same formula. Here I take the point BC is parallel to AD. By the parallel condition, the slope M1 is equal to M2, right? The slope BC is equal to slope AD. We know the formula for this. When the 2 point is given, this is the formula x2 minus x1. For this the first point is x1, second point is y1 and then x2 y2, right? So now apply the value. Y2 is minus 3 minus of y1 is equal to minus 3 divided by x2 is 1 minus x1 is equal to minus of minus 2. This term is equal to, here the first point is x1 y1, second point is x2 y2. Now y2 is equal to y minus y1 is equal to 2 divided by x2 is x minus 2. Now substitute this, minus 3 minus into minus plus 3 divided by minus 1 plus 2, right? This term is equal to y minus 2 divided by x minus 2. See, plus 3 and minus 3 becomes 0. 0 divided by any number is equal to 0, right? Then y minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Now I take this denominator to the another side. If I take this term, you have to multiply, right? The denominator turns to numerator means it should be 0 into any number. That is 0 into any number equal to 0. That is equal to y minus 2. Now I take this 2 minus 2 to another side. We get y is equal to plus 2. Now we have find out that y is equal to 2 in this equation, right? If you take this term, x into minus 2 is to 0, right? And then y minus 2 equal to 0. I take this, I want to find the y value, so I take another 2 minus 2 to another side. We get y is equal to 2. Now substitute this y is equal to 2 in equation number 1. See, the equation number 1 is 5x minus 4y is equal to 17. Now in the place of y, I am going to apply the value 2. 4 into 2 is equal to 17, right? Then 5x minus 4 2s are 8 is equal to 17. I take this 5 to 8 to another side. So 5x is equal to 17. It in minus symbol. If I take to another side means we get plus symbol. Then 5x is equal to 25. Then x is equal to 25 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 5s are. Therefore x is equal to 5. Therefore the point D of x comma y is equal to 5 comma 2 is the answer. The x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2. So the D point is 5 comma 2 is the answer. Thank you, students.